From trash to treasure, from waste to power, from snacks to cash, this is how Gambia's turning everyday waste into sustainable wealth for its communities. Imagine a compact, self-contained off-grid hub that efficiently slices through waste, creating value from what was once discarded. Inside, a Halal abattoir provides safe, certified meat processing, upholding crucial cultural and quality standards. Nearby, fruit and vegetable dehydration units work to preserve seasonal harvests, preventing spoilage. And an agro-waste valorization unit ingeniously turns peels and scraps into clean-burning biogas and rich biofertilizer. All of these powerful capabilities are tied together by Fortis Invicta's innovative modular tech. Local households and farms simply feed their organic leftovers into community digesters. The captured methane gas then powers homes and local microgrids, while the remaining solids become nutrient-rich soil amendments, boosting crop yields. Dehydration dramatically extends shelf life, transforming perishable goods into valuable products. This process is opening entirely new, more profitable markets for local farmers. Rapid setup, scalable impact, and deep respect for halal standards and local customs. Proof in 60 seconds. Less waste, more energy, better income. Resilient communities, powered by the food they already grow. Fortis Invicta isn't just recycling, it's rewiring the circular economy in Gambia, one community at a time. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.